Hello, beautiful person watching this video. Welcome to Healthy with Benna. Thank you so much for clicking and watching this video. My name is Bernadette and you can call me Benna. That's where the name Healthy with Benna comes from. And that's why I am here today, my friends, to introduce to you this channel and what it is going to be about. Last week, one of my friends asked, why Healthy with Benna? Why not unhealthy? And my response to them was healthy because I have benefited from eating healthy. It changed my life, it changed my health, and it changed my family's life as well. Now, it is always said that behind every journey is a story. I have a story that I'm going to share with the world. And my hope, my prayer is that somebody somewhere can relate, can feel encouraged, can feel motivated, and embark in that healthy lifestyle. It is a journey, guys. It is not a short-term fix. It is not a diet. Because when I hear of the word dieting, the thing that comes to mind is eating healthy sounds like a chore. It shouldn't be that way. It should be seamless. And we are striving for progress, not perfection. Eating healthy doesn't mean boring. It doesn't mean tasteless food. I have a passion for cooking, especially healthy meals. And I am going to bring to you live my recipes for eating healthy and staying healthy and some of the tips that have helped me in the past couple of years. I am also going to be sharing on here my family, our love for healthy food and how we go about it. Our favorite times are Saturday mornings when we have our breakfast with the kids and we have conversations. It's a moment to bind us as a family. We have conversations around eating healthy, what that means to the kids. I am going to share those moments with you all in hope that someone can be encouraged. Because some of you feel that kids act like a barrier to eating healthy, or a busy lifestyle acts like a barrier to eating healthy. What I'm going to tell you today is that no, because I have kids, I am also busy, and that doesn't stop me from eating healthy. Why? Because I plan. I meal prep ahead of time. I already figure out the entire week what my family and I are gonna eat. And I make sure that I always put some thoughts into what we are going to eat because it is very important. You have to all think about what you're eating because we live in a world where so many people are getting sick and dying, so many diseases. And the reason is because we are eating a lot of foods that are unhealthy, that are helping to slow our system and make them susceptible to diseases and sickness. So eating healthy, it's a way of life. It is not a quick fix. It is a journey, and you have to prepare your mindset because your mindset is very important to this journey. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for those that have been following me on Instagram, on Facebook, for all your comments, for all your likes, for pushing me to do better and become better, for encouraging me, for motivating me. I say a big thank you to you and that I have more to share, and I hope that I can make this channel a place where you come over, you leave and you feel comforted, you feel encouraged to start that healthy lifestyle journey with your family because it has so many benefits. So my friends, if these are some of the things that you are interested in, please subscribe to this channel, and when you do not forget to hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video you will be the first person to watch. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until I see you in my next video, bye bye.